So that is the main thing. So we will discuss many things about calculations, BOQ, manual methods, automate methods, building planning, NBC laws, and everything. Okay. So, Kulkarni sir actually joined this course last week only, and actually we have conducted two lectures. So that is not much we have concluded in that particular lecture, but we have a certain portion we have discussed about what is a BOQ. So we will start again. Okay, Kulkarni sir. So we need to
Yes, sir.
discuss everything on it. So we will discuss in detail, no issues. Everything will be learn about. Okay. So Amol and Bhushan and Kulkarni sir, I'm requesting you just to give your brief introduction to this each everyone. So this is a professional course. Okay. So this professional course we need to discuss about practical examples, practical things, whatever you have experienced in your site, in your business, in your consulting, in your job. So you need to discuss here. So that will be create some kind of knowledge sharing, and that will be useful for your implementation in job or business. Okay. So just first introduce yourself, and then we will start. Just give your full name. What is your expectation from this course? And what is your job role, or what is your profession, what you are doing for this particular sector, and then conclude. Okay. So we will start with Kulkarni sir. So Kulkarni sir, please just give your introduction first, then we will start with another. Hi Kulkarni sir. Maybe lagging due to network. Yes, Kulkarni sir, give your introduction to the batch. No.
There, there is a disturbance.
Yes, yes, network disturbance is there. So just yeah, if you possible,
There
no,
is a disturbance, I
just
think.
just
Yeah.
no, just switch off your camera, so that will be give you better network quality.
Okay.
So that will be very easy.
Mm.
Okay. So Kamol, start with you, okay? Because this network issue is there. So just start with you.
Myself, Amar Balasab Salanki. I am from Nagar. I am actually ME structural engineer. I also register as a valuer, but I am doing consultancy, and I am owning shop, building material shop. So I do
Okay.
both
Okay.
consultancy and shop. So at site, we face many problems like material inconsistency. Sometimes contractors are demanding some bags of steel on time. That's
Okay.
why I want to create something like that.
Okay. So, welcome to the course, Samuel. So, you require BOQ for your site purpose or everything. You are calculating the BOQ in manual way or something. How you can create your BOQs?
Sir, we are generally creating the BOQ. First of all, we are just creating BBS, not BOQs, but not detailed
Because you
BOQs.
are you are a
Uh,
design site, so that's why you are only need a BBS, right?
yes, sir, BBS.
Okay. So, which software currently you are using for BBS purpose?
Uh,
Which
Only Excel,
software?
sir.
Only Excel you are using. Okay, no
Only
issues.
Excel.
Only Excel you are using. Okay, so what kind of automation or what you are expecting from this course right now?
Sir, as I mentioned in much, these things also I imagine many times that when I upload my PDF or image, that AI can calculate all the estimate. matlab- In short, all calculation done by the AI and get accurate result. That's my expectations from this
Expectation
course.
for this course. Okay. So welcome to the course, and this will be give you maybe hope to give you 100% expectation true for your side. Okay. So welcome to the course. So Bhushan, please start your camera and give your introduction.
Hi to all. Good evening, sir and other members. Myself Bhushan Ishi. I am from Kallan. I did my civil engineering from B.R. Harne College. I currently working at as a site engineer. in Thakurli only.
Okay.
So I already had one course with Sushant sir, and I had great experience with Sushant sir. So I just expect from this course, like I just want to learn the thing uh, in advance, in advanced method, because of the requirement of the as per the job and as per the market. So that's what
Okay.
I expect from this course.
Okay. Actually, Bhushan is actually attended our billing in construction site course, which is includes the basics of billing, manual methods of the billing. So I have invited him to join our this upgraded course for the billing and quantity estimation. So Bhushan, welcome to the course, and we will
Thank you,
discuss
sir.
many things about from manual calculation to automated calculation regarding BOQ, rate analysis, BBS, and another thing is that how we can justify your quantities with respect to optimization purpose. Okay, so it is not like that
Yes,
you are only calculating the quantity. We need to make a some kind of decision based on that particular BOQ. Okay, because AI in the picture, so we can modify multiple times that things. Right. So Kulkarni sir is a very experienced person. He has made, I'm not wrong, but he has a experience about this sector. Is about 20 plus years of experience as a quantity
great.
estimation and BOQ, and he wants to learn automation for the this billing and quantity estimation. Okay, so Kulkarni sir, if possible, just
Yes.
give your introduction and just guide us also to what kind of
Yeah.
experience you
Yeah.
have at the site and what kind of expectation with you, because that kind of
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
question will give you the guiding lamp, okay, for us.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, everybody. My name is Chidambar K. Kulkarni, working for T. Bhimjani Realty Private Limited, Thane, Manpada. Past 16 years, I'm working in the same company, and I have a total 25 plus years experience in quantity survey, billing, estimation, and I'm handling with the contracts also. And I have worked 3 years in Dubai, and then I came to Bangalore and I came to Mumbai. Now, just I want to learn this advanced system in the AI for calculation of the quantity surveying, takeoff quantity estimation, and budgeting cash flow. Uh, as I'm looking the advanced system, that is the reason I joined with the AI session.
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, before starting any lectures, so we need to understand the what is exactly manually we can do, what process we are already done or already doing that particular thing for the site calculation, BOQ, material, vendor management, calculation of the
Yeah,
rate, everything we need to understand manually first. Okay. So before that,
yeah,
you need to understand what is the planning. Okay, so
yeah.
first assignment is that about you just draw the 2 BHK plan for this calculation purpose. Then we will go for the G plus 4, G plus 10, G plus 12 building, and then we will calculate
Okay.
everything with respect to that. Okay, so Kulkarni sir has that done that particular thing in last week. So just I request Amol and Bhushan, please complete it with respect to that first assignment, and then calculate your quantity manually, first manually, because we need to understand manual calculation as well. Then we can differentiate what we are expecting from the AI that will be matching or not. So we need first that calculation with respect to manual methods. Okay, so what kind of that particular thing, when you calculating that particular assignments or any kind of AI tools will require, is that I'm giving you list of that AI tools requirement. First is that one is ChatGPT. Okay, so we require that particular tool. You are using free because it's not needed right now paid subscription, because we are I have paid subscription, so we will run many models in my ChatGPT only. So you will not that particular expenses for that paid subscription. Another thing is that we require Cloud A for the report preparation and Excel, because it gives you correct and very efficient result. And then we need perspectivity. So the perplexity is for the research work. This because every drawing, every plan, it should be compliance with NBC. NBC is a National Building Code and our municipal drawings. So we need to figure out what kind of drawing we are preparing that should be correct and it should be, we can say, crude drawing. Okay, so we don't rely on that particular. We create some random drawings and random plans, and we are doing posting and loading in the AI tool. That will not do that. We will follow the proper process with respect to NBC compliances, municipal drawings, and then we will create a result for that. Okay, so this is a professional course. So you will get the result for your particular professional experience, not for the random results. So first thing. Second thing is that you need to figure out when you using the chat GPT, there's some kind of you need to figure out set the particular things in that particular chat GPT setting. Okay, what that particular thing, what kind of result you expect. So I will tell you tomorrow because it's your first lecture. So just be ready with your tools tomorrow. First thing is AutoCAD, okay, then ChatGPT, Cloud A, and another thing is the Perplexity. Perplexity is required for the research work. Perplexity is giving you correct result with respect to codal provision and everything. So you use free things, okay, not use any paid subscription. I'm just telling you. If you are willing to use, it's free to you. But I'm not insisting you give the paid subscription everything. Okay, so you will get an idea about. Okay, so what kind of tools you want to write it? Please write it. First thing is ChatGPT, Cloud A, another is Perplexity, and fourth one is that AutoCAD. Do you have that particular tools in your system, Amol and Bhushan? Do you have?
Sir, I think only at a guide.
Just a
No other.
downloaded it desktop app which is takes 2 minutes to take that particular ChatGPT desktop apps for Cloud A and just create your account in that particular tools. Mhm. Save it because if you run the model multiple times, that model will train itself. Okay, it's not like that कि आपने एक बार ChatGPT में prompt डाला और वो भूल जाएगा, ऐसा कभी भी होगा नहीं. So today's lecture is about introduction of the tools, about introduction about uh, plans at what kind of softwares we require, and just I will explain one more time. Kulkarni sir, it's a repeat for you, but
Yeah,
just bear with us
no
because
problem.
we need to
No
we need to should be all in one page. So that's why. So I will share
no
one
problem.
screen one more time and just I will share.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So this is a 40 hours. I have designed this course with respect to my experience, my international project experience, as well as my national that kind of experience with IS code, Euro code, whatever course we are using. That's so I put it in that particular course. Well, first is the fundamental of the construction billings. So might be you have all already know that particular fundamentals, what kind of forms are there, what are the what is the abstract is there, what is the estimation, what is the costing, what is the rate analysis. You should know that particular things. Okay, so just we will revise one more time and then we will start with fundamentals. Then second is the AI fundamentals. AI fundamentals we require because we listen everything about AI, but it is in generalized manner. It is not with respect to civil engineering perspective. So you will get that idea about what is the prompt, what kind of the prompt are you using for as a civil engineer, what is the civil engineer application with respect to AI prompts, what kind of model we require. Model means that AI tools which is run based on models, right? In Cloud A, in ChatGPT, in other AutoCAD, other AI connectors that requires give you correct prompt to run that model, guide that model. So your AI fundamentals should be clear and visible. Okay. So that is a very important part. Another thing is AI based quantity takeoff. AI based quantity takeoff, why it is important, what is that particular thing. So you need to that particular thing with respect to because when you calculating every calculation with respect to manual method, okay, if you are calculating quantity with respect to manual method, that requires 1 day actual, right, for the one bungalow and everything. for excavation, RCC, painting, and everything. But if you are giving the correct code, correct project specification, correct plan, AI will give you in almost 20 to 30 minutes time whole BOQ that they will give with with interior BOQ as well. You are providing the correct input. Okay. So that is the faster rate the AI is working for the BOQ calculation, because BOQ is a must of the things. Everything is good at everything, taking the meetings, communication skill. But when you when the terms BOQ comes under in that particular part, so we require some kind of thorough technical knowledge while calculating that particular thing. So we need to automate that particular laborious work to smart work. Okay, so that will give you immense idea, and that will be very easy for you in future job and your businesses. Okay, so that is very important. Then AI workflows are very important for the AI BOQ preparation, AI rate analysis, Excel and Copilot automation. In my case, I have automated with Cloud, because Cloud is a very uh, efficient tool as compared to Copilot. So I have automated my things with respect to Copilot. Okay, so that thing. BIM and AI integration. So I will introduce some kind of 3D models as well, Revit models and everything, and that AI integration you will play a key role for that particular thing. So BIM also I introduced for the BOQ calculation for the BBS particularly. Then Power BI. So I'm just giving you some demonstration about Power BI. What is Power BI? What that look like, and what kind of the use with that. So right now in industry there is a lot many ERP tools are there. ERP means Enterprise Resource Model. So that give you uh, immense confidence for the construction managers, builders, developers, for the taking the good decisions. So you should know that particular tools with respect to billing or quantity estimation. So that is very important. Then AI project cost control and captain project. So we will actually do that particular thing. So this is our 10 modules, require 40 hours, and that 40 hours we will learn very much about courses, very much about BOQs, construction fundamentals, and planning and 3D modeling. Okay, so you are sufficient with that particular things, or you are excited for this to learn that particular things. Bhushan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sure.
Motorola, he's joining. Might be he's Rushali. Rushali, you are joining.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just change your name, please. So
Okay,
Rushali,
sir.
we have a lot many peoples with you. Just everyone get introduced yourself. So just you are remaining. Just introduce yourself. Then we will start with another slide. Rushali, please introduce yourself.
माझं नाव रुशाली आहे आणि
No, no, Rushali, please. I'm requesting you in Hindi or English, because we have a multiple audience is here. So Kulkarni sir don't know about much about Marathi, so just speak in Hindi or English.
ओके मेरा नाम रुशाली है और मैंने अभी हाल फिलहाल ही में डिग्री कंप्लीट की है सिविल से और मैं जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रही हूँ बिलिंग के लिए ही और
Okay.
एक दो जगह पे मैंने इंटरव्यू दे के भी रखा हुआ है एक दो
Okay.
दिन में मेरी ज्वाइनिंग होने वाली है
Arey wow,
थैंक यू
congratulations, congratulations. So Rushali also my past student who has attended the billing courses in last year, right? Last year December she has enrolled our courses. So Rushali, welcome to the course, and might be you are late, so I have discussed about fundamentals, and this is the modules for this course. Okay.
यस
So
सर
fundamentals, the model, this is the for quantity surveying, billing engineer, cost engineering, cost control, project control is there, and then contracts. Okay, so there is a fundamentals we need to complete with respect to. So we will start with things with tomorrow, and I'm repeating again for the Rushali. Rushali, we require four tools. One is the AutoCAD, another is the chat gpt, cloud a, another is perplexity. So we require these four tools with you. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards you need that particular tools, and then we can connect with respect to that. Okay. So just be ready with. So today we will start with one assignment. One is that plan 2 BHK bungalow with respect to development plan for section elevation and everything with respect to schedule of opening and everything. So we need to prepare one drawing with respect to schedule of opening, construction notes, specifications, plan, first floor plan, section elevation, and north. So you please prepare that particular drawing. If you have already drawing, so just prepare for our as assignment, then submit to me on group as an AutoCAD sheet and PDF sheet. Okay, because I need to load that particular drawing in ChatGPT or AI tools. Then I can understand that particular thing, and I need to verify with respect to dimension in my AutoCAD tool. So just you need to submit your AutoCAD sheets and what another tool is another thing is the PDF. Okay, and if you want any kind of project specification, just carefully listen. You need to prepare your project specification for your project, for what kind of concrete you require, what kind of steel, what kind of uh, TMT bars, grade. You need to specify everything in project specification. Otherwise, if you are giving the incorrect prompt, they will give you incorrect result. Okay, so sure your input should be clear. So while you preparing your assignment, be careful about your inputs, whatever you information mentioned over there. And second assignment is that prepare a BOQ in Excel manual method, because we need one assignment manually and then we will create a that assignment automated with respect to automated tools in ChatGPT and cloud. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to prepare. So this kind of things we need to this is the second assignment. This is G+2 residential building. So I will give that particular details and then we will check. But before that, you need to prepare yourself. Okay, for tomorrow, before tomorrow lecture, just to try to submit at least plan. AI fundamentals for civil engineering, that is a very important part. ChatGPT, this is one of the tools. Copilot, Gemini, Cloud AI, and prompt engineering. So I will guide you everything. What is the fundamental? What is AI fundamental for civil engineering? What kind of model we need to set up in our system? So that will I will guide you in everything in our lecture. Okay, so don't worry about that. So just if you want any kind of snapshot, I have actually shared with you, right? This module. So just you need to set up your AI tools in your system only, laptop or computer, whatever it is. ChatGPT, Cloud, AutoCAD, and another thing is Perplexity. Okay, so model 3 is that prompt engineering is very, very important. So prompt engineering basically when you give kind of input, as I earlier said that if you give correct and detailed input, for example, this is the example is the bad prompt. What is a bad prompt? Give me a BOQ. This is a bad prompt. Good. What is a good prompt? Prepare a detailed BOQ plus G+2 building in Mumbai. Include earth excavation, PCC M10, RCC M25 footing, brick masonry, RCC slab, plaster and painting. Use IS 1200 units. Provide quantities in meter cube and meter square or meters. So it is only the sample of the prompt. It is not correct, but I'm just putting the example. What is a bad prompt and what is a good prompt? But it is about not only BOQ, it is only about cost, it is about approach, it is about contracting, about tendering process. So every prompt gives you that particular result. Okay, so project with respect to project stage, we need to prepare a prompt with respect to specific context and format for better AI output. Got it? सबको समझ में आ रहा है properly? Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So AI based quantity takeoffs. So what kind of input requires? PDF drawing upload, wall length, slab area, beam quantity, column count. So this will be do in our AI based quantity takeoff. So that quantity we need to require that particular actually automatically calculate the wall length, slab area, beam quantity, column count. They calculate, but in CSV format. what kind of CSV format, how that works, I will explain in future lectures, okay, upcoming lectures. So manual takeoff, scale drawing manually, upload a PDF drawing, AI reads it, count elements one by one, OCR extract dimension automatically. So extract dimension means it will measure automatically. Record in Excel and register. Computer vision counts elements. 2 to 5 days for the G+5 building, right? It takes 2 to 5 days, but it will be almost in a 15 to 45 minutes. So 3 to 5 days, and it will require only 45 minutes, more than 1 hours that requires to everything to complete that. Suitable for the simple project, and it is the tools SCC, Revit, ChatGPT plus PDF. Low software cost, export directly to Excel and BIM. So this is a process, and right now I'm using that. Okay, so that is a very important part. So this is the our modules. Right now I will explain one by one everything, and this Excel is not only the representation purpose; it is happening everything, right? So you need to consider this is the yours. So this is the cash flows. We need to create the bar chart, pie charts are there. So we will present that particular things you see. So this is the thing we need to consider for the every project: G+5, industrial structure, commercial office, highway project, metro station, oil and gas, hospital building, warehouse project. So everything we have covered. So this is our journey. We will start with automation, okay, and our class will start at 7 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. Got it? If in case you have doubt, just share with me and just give me some kind of feedback. It is not about feedback, it's about your expectations. Some feedback, just please share with me in our group, because I need to configure everything whatever your requirement. Okay, Bhushan, Amol, because Kulkarni sir have already gone through this, so please give me the feedback for this particular course. It is not about positive negative, it is about improving the course, because if you give the feedback on first day, that will be give you me idea about what kind of improvement I need to taken or in the course. Okay, just please give me. So if you have any doubts, so today I will not give much lecture, because you need to figure out everything. Your chat GPT tools, AI, other AI tools, AutoCAD in your system first. Just submit your assignment, and then we will start from the start our basic lecture, basics and fundamentals about civil engineering, billing, and then we will go for the fundamentals of AI for the civil engineering. Okay. So before that, you need to configure everything, and we will start from the tomorrow. Okay. This is the introduction, and this is a demo for you guys. Okay. If you need doubts, please share with me. Any doubts? Hmm.
No, sir.
Okay. Just whatever you want now, just share your feedback. Please share your feedback on WhatsApp. Yes, Amol.
Sir, plan is must in meter,
Whatever
only
you
in
need to,
photo it is.
what's you are using now, it is fine for AI. AI is simplify everything, because AI is built with every measurements, right? So it's not but basically you need to use your or meter, because that is where universal dimensions dimension unit we are using for the plan. So just try to.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Kulkarni sir, last time I have given you assignment. Have you completed your assignment? Hello, Kulkarni sir. I think actually he has experiencing something network issue today. So no doubt I will check with him on WhatsApp, and then I will share with you. Just please submit your assignments. And Bhushan and Rusari, uh,
Yes, sir.
you want to continue with this lecture? For your doubts, I will clear everything. Okay. And just we will
Okay,
meet
sir.
tomorrow. Amol, please complete your assignment. Okay, just please submit.